Casio created a stylish body and preloaded it with a suite of software applications to create a scalable solution that evolves together with our customers' further requirements. Introducing the VX100 Retail Business Support Terminal. Casio combined leading-edge hardware and original software in a single terminal with one goal in mind: to provide retail business support that contributes from day one. The software runs on the Android platform. An easy-to-understand interface optimized for retail operations supports centralized management of sales, customer and reservations data. A software development kit is available to support applications development. The VX100 flexibly meets the needs of wide-ranging industries and businesses. The VX100 comes with a pre-installed sales management application. It's easy to record and total sales data optimized for specific business operations. The system is ideal for restaurants with varied menus and retail shops with large product selections. The 10.4-inch color display has a highly sensitive touch panel that delivers a quick response. The terminal is also equipped with a sub-display and thermal printer. Combine the terminal with an optional cash drawer for use as a high-performance cash register for accurate, speedy operation from order entry to checkout. The customer management application makes it possible to analyze store visit frequency and sales value by customer and prepare customized customer lists. Business owners can manage the registration, editing, search, deletion, and printing of customer information, which is useful for promotions. And perform RFM analysis, which can classify prime customers from their purchase history. Furthermore, linking the customer management and sales management applications makes it possible to operate preferred customer discounts and member rewards programs. Use the reservations management application to record and manage reservations information. The application can be used to input reservations information that can be searched to rapidly display information necessary to respond to sudden changes or inquiries. Since customer orders and requests can be input and managed, it's possible to flexibly accommodate parties or special orders. It's even possible to print reservations lists for use in table setting. The email remote operation application supports busy business owners. The VX100 receives emails sent from a PC or mobile phone and automatically executes instructions in the mail. The owner can confirm information such as sales, current operating status, and the reservations situation from remote locations, and issue new instructions in response to the current situation, even when away from the business. Superb connectivity and scalability for forward-looking retail management. The VX100 delivers the optimal solution for a retail business today. It evolves together with your business's ambitions. Beyond the smiling faces of customers is the VX100.